Laura Bunyard, and I'm with the Caregiver Background Check Bureau with the Department of Social Services. Today I will be showing you how to log in and activate your Guardian account, as well as how to verify your employees for the Hero Award. 2 ways that you should have received your username or password. If the Department of Social Services has an email address on file for you, you will have received an email from guardian-no-reply@dss.ca.gov. Your email address in that instance is your username, and your temporary password is your 9-digit facility number. If you did not receive an email, you will be receiving a letter via U.S. mail that outlines that your username is the first 10 letters of your facility name, omitting any spaces or special characters, in conjunction with the last 4 digits of your facility number. Your temporary password is still your 9-digit facility number. So the first thing you'll do is log on to guardian.dss.ca.gov/agency. You'll go ahead and see these terms right here and select OK. You will then log in to your Guardian account using your username and temporary password. Once you have entered your temporary password and selected Login, you will be prompted to change your password to a permanent one. You'll be prompted to select 2 security questions that you can put the answers in as kind of a self-service option if you get locked out of your account or forget your password. This screen is the end user license agreement that you will see every time you log into Guardian. You're going to want to accept the terms and select Submit. From here, you are brought to your home page in Guardian. So this is a dashboard, we call it the At a Glance, that will direct you to various parts of the Guardian system. You'll see your agencies down here if you have multiple agencies associated to your license. But what we're going to focus on is going under this Rosters tab and Verification. This is now where you will select your employees that need to be verified for the Hero Award. Above right here is where you will see eligibility criteria. So you'll see which agencies are eligible, how many times you have to verify your employees. One caveat is the first verification period is April 1st through the 30th, and then every verification period after that will be twice per month, the 1st through the 15th and the 16th through the end of the month. So what you will do is you'll go down here and select your verification period. So I'll do April 1st through April 30th. If you have multiple facilities under your license, you'll see them here. I'm going to go ahead and select Jane's Family Daycare and search. From here, you will see every employee that works for Jane's Family Daycare. And what you're going to want to do is just select Verify if your employees qualify. So hit Verify Selected, and this last association date will change. And that's all you do. If you have any questions regarding the Hero Award or any questions regarding Guardian, you can contact the Caregiver Background Check Bureau at guardian.dss.ca.gov.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.